Dear children, we learn about the poem of Peel Banana. Now here I have placed some flashcards of sentences, the process of making banana juice. So you have to place in order. Okay, just I'm showing you for the first time, and the next time you have to do this on your own. Okay. And first what you have to do is you have to take a banana, and next, yes, clean banana, and next cut banana, and next, sorry, we have to peel, right? Clean and peel, cut banana, mix banana, juice banana, drink banana. Let us check again. Take banana, clean banana, peel banana, cut banana, mix banana, juice banana, drink banana. So this is the process of making banana juice. So dear children, you have to jumble the cards like this and rearrange. Okay, you have to rearrange the process of banana mango. Okay, do on your own and send me your video to my WhatsApp number. Okay.